Ayan guys, N47 engine, 09. No crankshaft pulley installed. You can see here, crankshaft pulley, the harmonic balancer, bumigay, no? So broken. So for that, you need to like to set up the timing before you do anything here. Like this one here, broken. Okay. So and then this one sits inside into the like crankshaft. Okay. So okay. So this one here. Fuck yeah.
Want to keep it?
Keep it yours, winner. So here, come here. What you are paying for here is the actual timing tool. See that?
Yeah.
That is the thing that you are paying for.
Oh, I get you, yeah. See
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The point for the, also where the point.
No. There's also leaking the fucking, you know the thumb,
Yeah.
the oil level sensor,
Yeah.
leaking from there.
Yeah.
So, you know,
I want to get it all fixed, man.
as you can see that.
Yeah.
See that?
Oh, see it, yeah.
Yeah? Okay? And then, because there's leaking, so check the fucking oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yo, man.
I'm going now, yeah?
See you later. Okay,
Yeah, no problem, yeah? Okay? So, tapos na yung ano, N47 engine. Nagawa na natin. Nagpalit lang tayo ng ano noon, crankshaft pulley. And then, bumigay kasi yung oops. Hindi natin na-lock yung ano, yung ating sa loob. I-lock natin. So, ayos na guys, natapos na natin yung ano, kanyang BMW na N47 engine. Obviously, pagka magpalit kayo ng crankshaft pulley sa mga BMW N47 engine, ay set up nyo rin yung kanyang timing, no? So lock up ninyo yung kanyang crankshaft, crankshaft. And to lock up the crankshaft is by meaning of like locking up the flywheel para hindi gagalaw yung kanyang timing. So don't mess around with the timing guys, because timing is everything on a vehicle. Once you fuck up the timing, then you're gonna fuck up everything. Like you will say goodbye to your career, no? Pagka you mess up the timing. So don't do timing ever pagka hindi nyo naranasan yung paano gawin yung kanyang timing. Mga timing belt, timing chain. Yung N47 engine is timing chain po yun. So far wala naman tayo narinig na kalampag doon sa timing chain niya. So maganda pa siya. And then alagaan nyo lang yung oil pagka mga timing chain guys. You have to be very look out on the oil on the system, because you know, if the timing not oil in it, then the timing chain overheat in the long run and it will snap. So as I said, you have to very careful, especially the like a BMW or whatever it is, as long as it is timing drive. So talagaan nyo oil lang talaga, change oil and everything para hahaba pa ang buhay, no? Or yung lifespan ng engine, especially yung kanyang timing chain. So yung ginawa natin is ano yun, 5 series na BMW N47 engine. So nakita nyo, meron akong pinakita na timing tools from E46 timing tools, E90 timing tools, 1 and 2 series na BMW meron tayong timing tools, no? So and then meron din tayong ginawa na engine rebuild ng N47 engine. It's on the video. Like you have to like scroll look on the PP2 motorworks. Meron kayo makikita na mga engine doon sa BMW engine. And then yung yung Mini Cooper na Countryman. Ang engine po niyan is also like N47 na engine. So bibiyakin yung tanggalin talaga yung engine para magpalit na tayong engine. Meron na tayong ginawa din, naka-rebuild na din tayo ng mga Mini Cooper na engine Countryman na Mini Cooper rebuild. Ginawa natin. And then for now yun lang po. So sa mga BMW dyan, make sure na maalaga kayo sa oil na inyong sasakyan, otherwise mag snap po yung timing chain nya. Madami na po tayo na-encounter na mga ganyan, nag snap yung timing chain dahil nawala ng lubricant or what is this, viscosity yung engine oil. And then once the engine oil loses its viscosity, and then that will form like kind of water, and then it will snap the timing chain, and that's very very expensive damage. So yan guys, please do look after your engine. By doing that, monitor, keep oil change every 6 months, maximum 1 year. Okay, so yung mga kasi yung mga BMW, pagka masira yung crankshaft, kailangan po i-reset yung kailangan po i-lock up yung kanyang timing. Make sure lock up the timing. By doing that, lock up the flywheel. Okay, and then if you have no tools, then just do out of the box timing, locking up. Do not change the crankshaft pulley on the BMWs without locking up the flywheel, because you will fuck up the engine. Okay guys, thank you very much. Bye bye.